biodiversity. So the main threats to biodiversity are, first one is the habitat destruction, global climate change, habitat fragmentation, pollution, over exploitation, alien species, introduction of the new species, and also the due to diseases. So these are the main threats of biodiversity, that is habitat destruction. So that is important to protect the habitat in order to protect the biodiversity. So here, for the protection of the, to protect the biodiversity or to protect the habitat. So in order to protect the biodiversity, if we protect the habitat, so we can automatically we can protect the biodiversity. So huge pressure from the world's rapidly increasing population. So this habitat destruction, which is due to the increasing population only. So first one is the habitat destruction. Second one is the global climate change. So that is change in the that is biotic elements of the ecosystem. That is due to change in this climatic factors, so which also leads to the change in the living organisms. So this global climate change is also due to the mainly due to the human activities only. So another one is the habitat fragmentation. So from human activity, that is reduces the ability of habitat to support the species. So due to here also this global climate change also due to the human activity, and also habitat fragmentation, which is also due to the human activity. So another one is the pollution. So introduction of the pollutants such as the nutrient overloading with nitrate fertilizers, as well as the more immediately harmful chemicals. So this pollution, which is also again due to the human activities, and over exploitation, so which includes the illegal wildlife trade, as well as the overfishing, logging of tropical hardwoods. So due to, for the mainly, generally we get the from this. So here, due to for the use, so we are due to we are using more quantity, so due to which here the loss of the biodiversity will be taking place. So another one is the alien species, that is introduced by the humans to regions so where there are no natural predator, that is they are not present in particular area, but they are introduced into that area, so due to which, so the natural one, they cannot be surviving. So it is alien species. So another one is the diseases, that is reduction in the habitat, which is causing high population densities, and also which encourages the spread of the diseases. So due to these reasons, so here the loss of biodiversity will be occurring. So first one, that is threats to mainly the process of extinction, which becomes particularly fast in these recent years due to human civilization. So one of the estimate that is 27 per day. So this extinction is 27 per day, and if the present trend which continues, it would we will lose one third to two third of our current biodiversity by middle of the 21st century. So first one is the loss of habitat. That is this, why this loss of habitat means that is it is the largest cause of this biodiversity is due to loss of habitat. That is billions of hectares of this forest and also this grassland have been cleared over the last few years, that is which is converted into agricultural land or pasture or settlements or areas for the development of projects. So due to which, so that is here the forest is converted into the other development of the project. So due to which here the area will become the animals which the plants and animals which are living in that area can be shifted. So due to when they are shifting from their natural habitat, so here they cannot survive in other area. So due to which here the loss of these organisms will be living organisms will be taking place. That is thousands of species have freezing due to this loss of their natural habitation. So as a result of human intervention, so marine biodiversity, it is also under serious threat due to large scale distribution of this fragile breeding and feeding grounds. So first one is that is the loss of habitat, that is for mainly the main hectares of this forest is converted into agricultural land or to develop projects due to which, so here the animals and plants, that is the living organisms which are present in that area becomes they losing their habitat and they cannot survive in other areas, due to which here the loss of organisms will be taking place, due to which loss of biodiversity will be taking place. So another one is the poaching. So that is the poaching means, so it is a illegal trade of wildlife products made by killing prohibited animals. It is also a threat to wildlife mainly. So here the despite international ban, so generally that is ban on this trade products from product is taken, but products from the endangered species, smuggling of wildlife items like furs, skin. So mainly this poaching is mainly like furs, skin, tusk, etc. It is continuing. Here, even though they are banned, but even though they are smuggling. So the worst issue is that for every live animal that gets into market, about 50 additional animals are caught and killed. Okay. So this is also another reason for loss of biodiversity. So next one is the